Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? This week we're going to be talking about two-way frequency tables. Okay, two-way frequency tables. Um, and today you're going to be working on reading two-way frequency tables, and then tomorrow you can work on creating two-way frequency tables. Just look at these notes here. A two-way frequency table means here that you have the table. It looks like this. So this is the title preference on the left side. Male, female, these are the titles, the headings. And then this is the number of people that prefer dogs, the number of people that prefer cats, and the number of people who don't prefer either dogs or cats. And this is the number of people who are male and number of people who are female. So we have 6 different categories of people here. Okay? So 6 different numbers. There's 6 different categories of people. Okay, so notice that there are 2 variables here. Okay, that's why it's called a two-way frequency table. There are 2 variables, gender, either male or female, and preference between dog and cat. So 2 variables. Okay, this is why it's called a two-way frequency table. It means there's 2 things happening. The cells tell us the number of students that have each preference. For example, the 36 is in the male column and prefers dog's roll. This tells us that there are 36 male students who prefer dogs. So this is what this is here. It's male, vertical, and prefers dogs here, horizontal. Okay, so let's look at this table and see if we can figure out how many female students prefer cats. Okay, so we need the column female student here. So it's one of these 3 numbers because we're looking for female. And also prefer cats. So prefer cats would be this one here. So for female column and prefers cats row, we have this number here, 26. So let's type in a 26 and see if that's correct. It is correct. And you can go look at another explanation here. Okay. Row and column totals. To find the number of students that prefer cats. Okay, so not just male or female, but both together. We're going to add up the number of students in the prefers cats row. So here we have prefers cats. If we add the 8 to the 26, we get a total number of 34 students. 34 students prefer cats, both male and female together. So here's another question about totals. How many students are male? How many students out of all of these students in this table, how many of those students are male? So what we want to do is we see male as the title of a column here, right? So this 36 are male, these 8 are male, and these 2 are male. So we want to add those together. So we've got our calculator up here. So I'm going to add 36 plus 8 plus 2, and that gives us 46 students that are male. So we added the whole column up here, 36 plus 8 plus 2, to answer this question, how many of the students are male? Okay, so a couple practice problems together before you guys attempt the homework. Researchers once surveyed college students on their Facebook use. The following two-way table displays data for the sample of students who responded to the survey. How many students in the survey were in the age category of 18 to 22? So we have the two-way table down here. Uses Facebook versus does not use Facebook. And then the ages 18 to 22. And then 23 plus would mean 23 and over 23. So how many students were between 18 and 22? Well, 18 to 22 is this row right here, right? So it means we need a total over here. We need to add these two numbers together. So we're going to add the 78 plus the 4, and that gives us an answer of 82. So 82 students were in that category. Okay. If you need more information about that, you can click here to show the solution on Khan Academy. All right, here goes another one. Researchers once, let's move this over here so we can see the problem better. Here we go. Researchers once surveyed students on which superpower they would most like to have. Well, that's pretty exciting. What kind of superpower do you want? The following two-way table displays data for the sample of students who responded to the survey. Okay, so this is our survey totals here. So we have, again, males and females, boys and girls. And then they got to choose between flying, being invisible, and this is all the people who picked something else, other. Okay, so how many males in the survey chose to fly? How many males, so it's got to be in this column, males, in the survey chose to fly? So we're looking at the column male and the row fly. So we end up with 26 of the males chose to fly. Check. Awesome. If you need to see more about that problem, just click here when you're in Khan Academy. Okay, next, last problem for this one. Researchers surveyed recent graduates of 2 different universities about their income. The following two-way table displays data for the sample of graduates who responded to the survey. Okay, here's your question. How many graduates in the sample came from University A? Okay, so we have two columns, University A and University B, and then 3 categories, under 20,000, 20,000 to 39,999, and 40,000 and over. So the question is, how many graduates in the sample came from University A? So they just want the total for this column, University A. So let's add all those numbers together. Am I clear? We just want to add the numbers underneath University A. So we have 35 plus 90 plus 35 again equals 160. So 160 people, graduates, came from University A. Yes. Okay. So this is how you read two-way tables. Your answers can either come from column totals, like we just did. It can come from a row total, or it could be one of the numbers in the box itself. Okay, so go and try the homework, this one right here. Read two-way frequency tables. If you have any trouble, I'll post a few more problems to help you. Good luck.